Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram suggested post not showing problem on Instagram news feed. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to apps. Again go to manage apps. Search Instagram application. Click on Instagram application. Again click on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Your Instagram application is not updated, then update your Instagram application. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram suggested post not showing problem on Instagram news feed. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.